Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jason in Pennsylvania on the Stryker SR-955HP. Jason got you all ready to go, bud. Our tune alignment and voltage regulator upgrade. We also got your SRA-198 mic. We'll throw in the box for you. We appreciate that. So let's just get right to it here. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts. Jason, that's so if you decide to run an amp, you'll have enough adjustability. If you need to roll it down, 20 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. Audio 1, 2, audio, audio. So we hit about 36 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. And about 84 PEP. Jason got ready to go, man. I'm gonna get it down to you, and I appreciate it. I'll get it up to you. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.